In the first part of this series, we explored 15 groundbreaking technologies transforming our world. But innovation doesn't stop there. In this follow-up, we're looking at 15 more game-changing advances that are already shaping how we live, work, and connect. From materials that heal themselves to satellites bringing internet to every corner of the globe, the future is unfolding right now. Get ready for a revolution in screens. TVs, AR glasses, and smartwatches are about to look sharper, brighter, and more energy efficient thanks to micro-LED displays. Unlike OLED panels, micro-LEDs don't rely on organic materials, so they don't suffer from burn-in and can last far longer. After years of research, micro-LEDs are entering consumer products, with Samsung unveiling massive micro-LED walls at CES 2024. Apple is reportedly planning to use the tech in future Apple Watch models, and analysts expect the global micro-LED market to hit $22.08 billion by 2030. Expect richer colors, higher brightness, and longer battery life, especially for wearables and AR/VR devices, with shipments growing to 51.7 million units by 2030. Imagine your car windshield doubling as a GPS screen or a store window that projects interactive holograms. That's the promise of transparent and holographic display technology. LG has already shown off a 77-inch transparent OLED panel, and Panasonic has tested similar tech in retail stores in Japan. At CES 2024, Samsung wowed crowds with a transparent micro-LED prototype demonstrating the cutting edge of display innovation. These displays don't just look futuristic, they're practical too, offering heads-up navigation for drivers and interactive imaging tools for hospitals. By 2026, expect to see these technologies move from prototypes to real-world use, integrating seamlessly into our daily environments. Talking to machines is becoming more human. Emotion AI, also called affective computing, can recognize feelings from tone, facial expressions, and word choice. Companies like SmartEye and Affectiva are already embedding emotion detection into vehicles to monitor driver fatigue and attention. In healthcare, researchers are testing it for early signs of depression or stress, offering new avenues for mental health support. Markets and Markets projects, the emotion AI industry will hit $46.82 billion by 2029. Signifying its rapid growth and widespread adoption. The next generation of AI won't just understand what you say, it will understand how you feel, creating more empathetic and responsive interactions. Self-driving cars aren't the only ones learning to operate on their own. Automation is spreading to the skies and seas. In China, Pinduoduo completed thousands of deliveries using autonomous drones, showcasing the efficiency of aerial logistics. Norway launched the Yara Birkeland, the world's first fully electric container ship with remote and autonomous navigation. And in the US, companies like Too Simple and Aurora are testing self-driving trucks that have already logged over 1 million miles. By 2026, automation will extend across entire logistics networks, transforming global transportation and supply chains. Blockchain is moving far beyond cryptocurrency. Governments and corporations are now using it to verify supply chains, secure identities, and fight fraud. The European Union has tested blockchain for cross-border customs and logistics, streamlining international trade. IBM's Food Trust helps Walmart trace produce from farm to shelf, ensuring transparency and safety for consumers. South Korea even rolled out a blockchain-based digital ID system to replace physical ID cards, enhancing security and convenience. PwC estimates blockchain could add $1.76 trillion to the global economy by 2030, most of it outside the financial sector. Blockchain's shared IT infrastructure streamlines workflows for all parties, no matter the size of the business network. As cyber threats evolve, so does the technology defending against them. The US recorded more than 3,200 ransomware incidents in 2023. This was a 74% increase from the year before, highlighting the urgent need for advanced cybersecurity solutions. AI-powered cybersecurity systems now detect anomalies in real time, stopping attacks before they spread, providing proactive defense. Meanwhile, researchers are preparing for the quantum future, where current encryption methods could be vulnerable. The US National Institute of Standards and Technology, NIST, has finalized new post-quantum encryption algorithms. These algorithms are readying us for the day quantum computers could break today's encryption in seconds, ensuring future data security. Education is entering its hyper-personalized era. Instead of one-size-fits-all lessons, AI tutors adjust in real time to each student's learning style. Khan Academy's Khanmigo helps students and teachers with math, science and coding lessons, offering tailored support. Duolingo uses AI to customize language learning for its 80 million monthly users, making education accessible and engaging. Global Market Insights predicts the AI in education market will exceed $88.2 billion by 2032, indicating massive growth. By 2026, digital tutors could be as common as textbooks, fundamentally changing how we learn and teach. The age of materials that fix themselves has arrived, promising greater durability and reduced waste. Scientists at the University of Manchester created an aerospace material that can automatically repair cracks in aircraft components. In 2023, LG Chem introduced coatings that heal car scratches under heat within minutes, a significant advancement in material science. These innovations may soon reach consumer electronics. Imagine a phone screen that repairs itself after cracking. Analysts predict the self-healing materials market will top $4 billion by 2027, with major uses in cars, planes and infrastructure. These 15 technologies represent just a glimpse into the future that's rapidly approaching, promising a world of innovation. As we move closer to 2026, expect these innovations to become more integrated into our daily lives, transforming industries and creating new possibilities. The future is not just coming, it's here, and it's more exciting than ever, inviting us to embrace these incredible advancements. By manipulating matter at the nanoscale, scientists are unlocking new possibilities in medicine and electronics. In healthcare, nanoparticles are being developed to deliver chemotherapy drugs directly to tumours, minimising side effects. MIT and Brigham and Women's Hospital have designed nanosensors that detect cancer biomarkers in the blood. In electronics, companies are creating nanoscale transistors, leading to quicker processing speeds and lower power usage. The nanotech market could surpass $250 billion by 2030, solidifying its role at the core of future innovation. A digital twin is a virtual replica of a real-world system that updates in real time. Singapore has built a national digital twin to manage urban planning, traffic and energy use. In manufacturing, Siemens and GE use digital twins to model factories and machinery, reducing downtime and boosting efficiency. Even the Tokyo 2020 Olympics tested digital twins to coordinate crowds and logistics. By 2026, 70% of large industrial firms will rely on them to optimize operations. Internet from space is no longer a dream. SpaceX's Starlink already has over 6,000 satellites orbiting Earth, serving more than 3 million users. Competitors like OneWeb, Amazon's Project Kuiper and China's Guowang constellation are expanding coverage too. These systems bring connectivity to rural areas and disaster zones, places where fibre isn't feasible. While they raise concerns like orbital congestion and light pollution, by 2026, satellite-based internet will become a vital part of the world's digital backbone. Even as 5G continues rolling out, work on 6G is already underway. South Korea, Japan and Finland are leading early trials, with commercial rollout expected around 2030. 6G will offer speeds up to 100 times faster than 5G, with latency as low as 100 microseconds, fast enough for real-time holograms, autonomous vehicle fleets and massive IoT ecosystems. Nokia and Samsung are already testing early 6G hardware with pilot deployments expected by 2026. Data centers consume more than 1% of global electricity, pushing tech giants towards sustainability. Google, Microsoft and Amazon are now running on 100% renewable energy. Chip makers are optimizing every watt of power, while AI systems help scale carbon capture and recycling technologies. By 2026, green computing won't just be an option, it'll be the global standard. Neuralink may have made headlines with its first human implant, but neurotechnology goes far beyond that. Non-invasive brain stimulation is being tested for depression and PTSD. Companies are creating wearable helmets that track brain activity in real time. Researchers are developing personalised therapies for epilepsy and Alzheimer's. With massive investment, neurotech is expanding from medicine into wellness and cognitive enhancement. The fusion of biology and technology is reaching new heights. Using AI-guided gene editing, scientists are creating organisms that produce biofuels, biodegradable plastics, and synthetic meat. Ginkgo Bioworks is engineering microbes for sustainable chemical production, while Moderna and BioNTech are using mRNA tech to tackle cancer and rare diseases. By 2026, the line between biology and technology will blur, making synthetic biology one of the most transformative fields of the decade. These innovations, along with the 15 from Part 1, show that the future isn't coming someday. It's already here, reshaping everything from our bodies to our cities, and even the way we think about life itself. Subscribe to the channel, there are many new things ahead.